Start with a magic circle and chain 1. This chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 5 single crochets in the circle. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next on, chain 1. For this whole pattern, the starting chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now in the same stitch, 3 single crochets. And mark the middle stitch, this one, 1, 2, 3. This is the stitch where you will be making the increase in the next round. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 3 single crochets in the next stitch, mark the middle stitch, 1, 2, 3. This is the middle stitch. This is the second corner. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and in the last stitch make 3 single crochets. Mark the middle stitch, 1, 2, 3. This is the middle stitch. This is the third corner, and make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet, this one. Next round, start with chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, now we reach the mark stitch. Here you will make 3 single crochets, mark the new corner, this one, 1 single crochet in each and every stitch until you reach the next corner. Three single crochets in this corner stitch. Mark the new corner. One single crochet in each stitch until the next corner. Three single crochets in this corner. Mark the new corner. Now you have one single crochet left, one single crochet in this stitch, and make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. This is the slip stitch, do not make a stitch over here. This is the first single crochet. This round onwards, the increase pattern, it is going to be the same. Start each and every round with chain 1, that won't be counted as a stitch, and start the next stitch in the same stitch. One single crochet in each stitch until you reach this first corner. In the corner, make 3 single crochets and mark the middle stitch. One single crochet in each and every stitch until the next corner. 3 single crochets over here, and repeat the same over here. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. I'll show you one more round. Chain 1, one single crochet in the same stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, 3 single crochets in the corner, Mark the middle stitch. 1 single crochet in each stitch until this corner. Three single crochets in this marked stitch. Mark the new corner. 1 single crochet in each stitch until the next corner. Three single crochets. Mark the new corner. 1 single crochet in each stitch. And make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. This one. This is a slip stitch. Now repeat these rounds until you reach the size which you need. This is how the base will look. I made mine up to 6 inches. Next on, chain 1. Now we'll be working only in the back loops. 1 back loop, single crochet in each and every stitch. Start the next stitch in the same stitch. And in the corner stitch as well, you will make a back loop single crochet. This will make the turning base for the basket. Once you reach the end, do not slip stitch. You will be working in continuous rounds. Make a single crochet in the first stitch. Now keep making 1 single crochet in each and every stitch until you reach the size which you need. Now we'll be working in both the loops. And once you reach the end, slip stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.